Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on multiplying algebraic fractions worksheet. On the next two slides I provide the lyrics of a rap song about algebraic fractions. Enjoy. Now let's look at the next three verses. And here is the worksheet. So we have four examples here and we have to simplify each of the following algebraic fractions. Now we've had a lesson on this very topic, so if you're not sure how to proceed, on the last slide there is a link. It will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all the examples. I'll leave this lesson on, or this particular slide, for maybe 30 seconds or so. You can pause it for as long as you like while you write the answers. On the next slide I actually have the four answers so you can check how you went. Okay, I'll move on to the answers now, but remember you can pause this slide for as long as you like. So here are the answers. That will give you the answers, and now you can check how you went. I'll just leave this on for a short while before I move on to the next slide. I'll move on to the next slide now. So Maths with Jacob has attempted to integrate mathematics, English and music by introducing a rap song about algebraic fractions.